just wanna ball making plays.
Hey y'all, and welcome to today's video where I'm sharing with you guys a bunch of different bags that you guys should get off of Amazon. Why am I sharing these with you? Because I thought that they were really cute, and if you like them, the link will be in my description box down below. So I just ordered a bunch of different bags that I can use throughout the year, but also so that I can use on vacation. So y'all, Amazon was about to be sold out of one of the bags out of the 6 that I got. Yes, I needed 6, okay. But these bags are going to be, like I said, very useful throughout the year, whether I want to use them the rest of the year with teaching, whether I want to use them on like a weekend getaway, whether I want to use them, you know, like to store stuff or keep whatever in, but also when I go on vacation. So the first bag that I want to share with you guys is a weekender bag. It's a carry-on bag. Also could be used as like an overnight tote or travel duffel with 13 pockets for travel, work, gym, beach, teacher, or a nurse. So what about this product, right? This product, it's a spacious tote. It is 20 by 14 by 7, so that's a really large tote. It also meets most international carry-on requirements, so it's a large capacity. It's big enough to store like all of your personal items. So first of all, let me also say I'm not sponsored by this company. Wish that I was. These were really cute bags, but I just decided to get them and treat myself. So let's talk a little bit more about this bag. So it's a high quality, water resistant. It's washable on the exterior. It has a soft, durable, nice nylon fabric that keeps you organized while out and about. It also has a top zipper that you guys can see on the inside, and then there's also interior polyester lining that can easily be wiped and cleaned. It has multiple pockets, so to be exact, it has 13 pockets, 3 zipper pockets. It also has 1 large zipper pocket and a small zipper pocket in the back with a trolley sleeve. The interior big zipper, it also has a pocket where you can keep your wallet, your cash, keys, safe, and all the other good stuff. Mesh on the inside as well. So there's really just a cute reason why I got this: the fabric, the design, and of course like all of the pockets that it offers. So if you guys see me looking to the side, I'm reading it off my computer just so you guys can see and learn more about this product. Alright, so the next one that I have is simply just a cute large overnight duffel bag. Like I said, this can be used for work, it could be used for the gym, it could be used for the beach. The really good thing about this is all of these are going to have the same design. They're all going to have the same material. So with this one here, these are all made by Esvan. Esvan has really good products. So when I noticed that one of them was going out of stock, I didn't know if it would come back in stock, so I just decided to get all of them just to say that I had them. So it has 2 mesh holders on the side. There's no pockets on the front of this one, but there is some pockets on the inside, so you guys see that one there, and then there's also like the mesh pockets there. You also could use the back pocket that has a zipper, and this one does not zip straight across. This is, I'm sorry, yes it does. Take that back. I was looking at something else. It zips straight across so that you can keep all of your material in the bag if you would like. And like I said, it's a really cute little bag that you guys can easily use for work or like I said, at the beach and things like that. This bag that you guys see here is simply just a travel tote duffel gym bag. It's a weekender overnight carry-on tote. It has a crossbody with a wet pocket and a trolley sleeve upgraded. So it does come with a zipper up here that you guys unzip. Inside of the bag when you get it is going to be your sleeve that has your holders so that you guys can make it into a weekender bag and be a crossover body bag by simply just putting the links on just like that, and then of course onto the other one, and it will easily be able to go across your body. Inside of this bag, it has the 2 mesh parts, or yeah, where you guys can put things in. And on the other side there's a zipper. So it's just one zipper part, and that's all that's in here, and it has a really cute color on the inside. Honestly, it matches the color on the outside. This one does not have a holder on the side for like water, but it does have a button, and with this button you can button this part to go down here to make it kind of like more closed if you would like to. With the handles, they're very durable. Like I said, all of the colors are the same, the whole design is the same. It's like that light pink. And with that being said, it does have like a lot of space where you could put clothes in for traveling, and then of course you could also just carry it like this if you would like to, or you can do the crossbody and have it hanging from your shoulders. So really nice design. All the bags are the same. So this bag here is a diaper tote bag. It also serves as a tote backpack. It also could be a crossbody bag. It's a 3-in-1 for women. It could also be served as a laptop backpack, and it also has multifunctional insulated pockets in here. So with this bag, it could be served as a diaper bag, it could be served as a carry-on, it could also be served as like a teacher work bag, or you know, if anyone has like laptops and stuff that they need to take into the building wherever they work or the office, this would be great, right? So you have your button that you guys would unbutton. You have your zipper at the top to protect everything on the inside. On the inside, this is honestly like really cute. So it also has the button on the side, just like the overnight bag that you guys can take off, which will make it to where it's more thicker in space. And also in this one is the chain so that you can make it into that crossbody bag. And the way that you do that is simply putting the chains and hooking them up to the gold part over here, and then the gold part over here. Also, what I wanted to share on the inside, this is a little different. This one has a insulated pocket here that you guys can put stuff in the back. So if you want to put like your computer, so that you know it doesn't like overheat or anything. It also has pockets on the inside, where these are the insulated pockets. So there's 2 of them. One's on that side, and then there's one on this side. And these are for like your water bottles. You also can put like a juice down in there if you want to keep it cold. But like I said, this right here is going to close, and you can keep your laptop right there. There's also just one pocket with a zipper that you guys can put stuff in, such as like pens, pencils, chapstick, blah, 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 blah. And like I said before, if you want to make it thicker, you just open it. And if you want to just make it to where, you know, it's keeping everything in there thinner, you just button them back, and it makes like a thinner design. There is not only a space right here where you could put water, there's also this space over here. And then you also have your zipper up front that you guys are going to unzip, and you have plenty of pocket space here. You also have your 2 spaces for water if you would like to, and then you also have your back part at the bottom that you guys could easily put anything in case you want to throw something in there. And you also have this pocket up here at the top where honestly I would throw like a USB in here. Then again, who knows. They also have pocket in here where you can put this at. This is where you turn it into a backpack, and the other one is right here. If you don't want to use it, you throw it down in here. Like I said, you can turn it into a backpack by simply taking these little clamps and clamping them like down here at the bottom to serve it as a backpack. So only if you would like to do that, that is the reason why this is back here. If not, you can easily just throw it right back down in here, and there is a bunch of space down in there, like if you want to put USBs, pens, blah, 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 that you know is in there, or anything that you don't want to be in sight. And here's the last bag for me to share with you guys. Like I said, out of all of them, honestly, the one that I recently just showed you guys is my ultimate favorite, because not only can I, you know, just hold it by the handle, I could put it on my back as a backpack. I also could, you know, use it as a crossbody. So that was a really great bag. The last bag that I have here to share with you all is something really different. It is a yoga tote bag that can be used for women's shoulder like this. It also could be used for the office, a workout, travel, carry all of your Pilates stuff, gym, and the beach. So what I wanted to show you guys with this last bag is it's very simple. Like I said before, if you guys use this for the gym or for Pilates and stuff like that, you have this front pocket on both sides where you guys just zip up on this side, zip up on this side, and then you actually have a whole sleeve that you could put a workout mat on or in, and then basically it stays because you'll be able to zip it down so that it won't go anywhere. You also have these drawstrings on both sides so that you can make the bag, you know, very like tight if you have anything else in there. And this one also has a zipper, and inside of here is the mesh part right here, and then you also have your pocket over here, so you can put things down in the back of it, and it stops right here. And then you also have your zipper that you guys can put stuff down right there, and that'd be really cool too. And another good thing about this bag is that there is a zipper on the back, so you can put as much as you would like to down in the back. So a really great bag to use if you're like going to the gym, and also if you want to put like stuff in here for the front for the beach. I would say things like snacks or sunscreen and whatever else, towel in the big main part. And yeah, so you have like a really good amount of space. So with all of these bags, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you all like the bags. If you do, check them out. The links will be in my description box down below. And I also just really wanted to share with you guys what it is I got, because as a lifestyle content creator, I like to vlog about like my Amazon hauls, my grocery hauls, and I also like to vlog about things on a day-to-day life basis. So be sure to hit that thumbs up, comment down below what do you think about these, and I know you can say, yes, that's too many bags, but at the same time, why not go ahead and get the whole collection, use them for what I want to, use them for when I need to, and also have them on standby and ready, because I've gotten rid of all of my other bags and it was just time for a new duffel bag set that I can use at the beach this year. See you guys in the next vlog.